Island of Mactan, Mexico. Seven of these were leaving the island. Two of them were Tula and Lapu-Lapu. These two were all enemies. Tula became dead body.
Master, we should find some island where we can find food.
There's a ship there. There's a ship there.
So what do you need in our place?
As you can see, me and my people are thirsty, and we need some island where we can rest.
Okay. So as I can see your situation, I will let you stay in my place, and we will help you. Of what do you need? Okay, you can stay here and you can stay here, and after you had solved your problem, you can go to the place where you should go.
He sent a message to Magellan asking for soldiers to help him conquer Lapu-Lapu. Here we go. Magellan, here's a message came from our student.
Okay. You, my troops, will go to the place of Magellan, and we will join them so that we can defeat Lapu-Lapu. Did you receive my letter?
Yeah, I see.
So, is your troops ready for the This is the end of a presentation wherein Magellan and Sula died and Lapu-Lapu win the battle.